Today, I will share something about Jamini Roy and his life and trying to recreate one of his famous artwork. Jamini Roy was an Indian painter. He remains one of the most famous pupils of Abanindranath Tagore, another praised Indian artist and instructor. Known as the father of folk renaissance in India, Jamini Roy was an artist renowned for his use of bright colors, bold and sweeping brushstrokes, and the two-dimensional rendition of human, animal, and mythological forms. Influenced by traditional Bengali folk motifs and kalighat painting. Born in Beliator, West Bengal, Roy grew up in Bakura, which had a rich tradition of terracotta wooden toy making and folk paintings. In 1903, at the age of 16, Roy enrolled at the Government School of Art, Calcutta, where he was introduced to European art pedagogy and its mode, style, and aesthetic values. He was particularly inspired by Western modernism and post Impressionist work of Vincent van Gogh. His early works to this end resulted in depiction of village life and popular Bengali myths and folklore. He was also influenced by the forms and iconographics of the Kalighat and Santal pots, patachitras, clay figurines, and the temple reliefs of Bishnupur. However, Roy rejected the influences of the Kalighat style due to the increased efflux of the traditional painters to urban market center, mostly Kolkata, and the resultant alienation of the art form its traditional roots to serve urban tastes. Roy's work has been exhibited widely, including at the National Gallery of Modern Art, New Delhi, the Lalit Kala Academy, New Delhi, and the Victoria Albert Museum, London. He was awarded the Padma Bhushan in 1955. He was also one of the 9 artists whose works were declared national treasures under the Antiquities and the Art Treasures Act 1972.